In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use polling in Microsoft Teams. Polling is an incredibly useful tool to engage your team, gather opinions, and make decisions collectively. Whether you're conducting a meeting, seeking feedback, or just curious about your team's thoughts, polls can be your go-to solution. So, let's dive into how you can set up and use this feature effectively. To begin, you're going to want to navigate to your Microsoft Teams app. If you haven't already, open it up and go to the team or chat where you want to create the poll. Once you're there, look for the conversation window, where you typically type messages. In this chat box, you'll see a collection of icons just below it. Among these icons, you might see one that resembles a text bubble with a small circle, representing the Forms app, which is integrated with Teams. In case you don't see the Forms icon, don't worry. You can easily add it by clicking on the ellipsis or the three dots icon that stands for more options. Once you click there, a search bar will appear allowing you to type in Forms. When you see the Forms app in the search results, select it and this will add the Forms polling option to your chat box icons. With the Forms app now accessible, go ahead and click on it. You'll be presented with an interface to create a new poll. You'll find a field to enter your question. This should be straightforward, clear, and concise. For example, you could ask, "What day should we hold our team meeting?" Below your question, you'll have the option to enter multiple choices. These will be the options your team can choose from in response to your question. So, if you're deciding on a meeting day, you might enter options like Monday, Wednesday, or Friday. Ensure your options are comprehensive and cover all potential responses you're interested in gathering. Once your question and options are filled out, take a moment to review your poll. Make sure there are no spelling errors and that it's entirely clear what you're asking and what answers you're seeking. Before you close out, there's an additional step that allows you to tweak your poll settings. For instance, you can enable multiple answers if you need more than one response from each participant or require anonymous answers to ensure privacy and candid feedback. Happy with your setup? Simply hit the Next button, then click Send to post the poll. This invites all members of your team or chat to cast their votes. As responses start to come in, you'll be able to see a real-time update of the results directly within the Teams chat window. And that's it. You've successfully created a poll in Microsoft Teams. This feature is a fantastic way to solicit input, create engagement, and foster communication. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your next Teams interaction even more productive. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.